Hi guys, just a super quick little video just to share another little idea on how to use fabric scraps. Like I've got a lot of little lace scraps, little teeny tiny fabric scraps. This is one little basket on my desk, but I have bags of them under my desk, and I use them for all sorts of things, snippet rolls, little embellishments in your junk journals, and I don't know, page tabs, all sorts of things. But one of the things I also use them for is just to put little embellishments when I pack my orders. So I thought I'd share, if I do come across a little Etsy kind of tip or idea, I suppose, I thought I might just quickly film it and share it, because I know there's always people opening new little Etsy or Zibbet shops, or even if you've got an existing shop, it's a great way to use up some of your scraps. So I know there's a few Aussie girls that have recently opened Etsy and Zibbet shops, or are going to as well. So I just thought I'd share this idea. Now I came across a whole box of gold pins, actually 2 boxes of gold pins years ago, many years ago, reverse garbage. And I had this jar and another jar that I've been using for some time. And so what I do, not all my orders, some orders, it depends what I'm wrapping really, and if it's going in a box or a flat envelope. So if you've ordered from my shop, you'll know that how your packages come wrapped is never the same, and it may come wrapped in anything, because I'm a recycler, remember. So for this order, I've got some blue lace that I'm sending out, and I've just wrapped it with some blue plastic kind of ribbon. And I think this blue ribbon was left over from my grandson's first birthday. It was the ribbons that were tied to the helium balloons that we had in the house. And I've just wrapped that around, and I've just put a little bit of scrap lace and fabric, just a couple of pieces, and I've just pinned them together and popped it on there. And I think it just makes a cute little embellishment, and whoever gets this can reuse every single thing here. They can reuse the tissue paper, the string, and the little fabric scraps and the pins. So pretty much everything can go back into their junk journal or junk journal embellishments. And for this one, this is some green lace that I'm sending out, and I've done the same thing. This is actually this string. This string was actually my old green t-shirt that I've just been cutting strips off to use as string to wrap, because t-shirt material, I don't like sewing with it. It's very stretchy and all that, but it does make good string for wrapping because it's stretchy. So I just cut strips and I use it to tie orders. Great way to get rid of your t-shirts. And I've just pinned on some little fabric scraps again. This was some fabric off an old cushion cover, old curtain, and some little fabric scraps that I've been using to make stuff. But I mean, it doesn't get rid of a lot, but it does get rid of a little bit of fabric out of your scraps. And if you use some every day, at least you're using it up and it's not going in the bin, and you're using stuff like t-shirts or leftover ribbons or whatever. But anyway, thought I'll just share that. That's it. I know it seems a strange thing to share, but I think packaging is sometimes a waste. People unwrap something and they put the packaging in the bin, but if you can reuse everything in your junk journals when you receive an order, I think it's like an extra little bonus. Anyway, so that's it, and I might show some other things if you're interested. I don't know if anyone's interested in that sort of thing, but if I do come across other little Etsy tips or something, I mean, my shop's only little, so I don't send out a lot of orders, but if I do have things to share, yeah, happy to share them. And if you do have an Etsy shop, I'd love to see ideas that you guys have as well. Anyway, that's it. Oh, and if you want to tag me in one of your videos sharing little Etsy tips or anything like that, all you have to do is put the @ symbol, @Bonny and Clive, and that'll tag me. I'll get a little notification in, you know, if you put that in your comments field. Anyway, that's it, and thanks for watching.